You can easily change your Metro by T-Mobile phone number using either the Metro website or mobile app. This online method provides convenient access to manage your account settings. The Metro by T-Mobile app provides easy access to your account. You can download it from your device's app store and use it to manage various account settings, including changing your phone number. First, you'll need to log into your Metro by T-Mobile account. Enter your current phone number and account PIN. The system may require additional verification for security purposes. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings or account management section. Look for phone number management or a similar option, then select the change number feature. You'll need to provide your account PIN and a verification code. You can then select a new number with your desired area code from the available options. Confirm your selection to begin the change process. Here are the key details to remember. You can change your number for free once every 12 months. Additional changes within that period cost $15. The number change process takes up to 30 minutes to complete. Keep in mind that while your new number will be active within 30 minutes, some services like iMessage and FaceTime may take up to 24 hours to fully update with your new number. When changing your Metro by T-Mobile number, several important security considerations will protect your account and ensure a smooth transition. First, update your security PIN and security question after changing your number. This creates an additional layer of protection against unauthorized access to your account. Enable port-out protection through your online account. This free feature prevents unauthorized transfers of your number to other carriers, adding crucial security against number hijacking. Phone numbers are recycled by carriers. Your new number may have belonged to someone else previously, meaning you might receive calls or messages intended for the previous owner. Activate Scam Shield to protect your new number from potential scams and unwanted calls. This service helps filter suspicious calls before they reach you. Security is evolving. Banks and financial institutions are moving away from SMS-based authentication toward more secure methods like email verification, as SMS can be vulnerable to interception. Remember these security steps when changing your Metro by T-Mobile number. Update your PIN and security question, enable port-out protection, be prepared for recycled number calls, use Scam Shield, and stay informed about evolving security practices.